Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you PictoBlox Junior got Quarky extension. So you can go to PictoBlox. So by the way, this is my desktop. So here I have a Bluetooth dongle connected. So I will do add. So first of all, let me remove this Quarky. So I'll close it. I'll go to Bluetooth and if it is off, then switch it on. Do click on the plus Bluetooth and this is off, so you have to switch it on the Quarky. Now it is on, discoverable. Quarky came here, select. You got a sound there and device is ready to go. Okay, so this part the work is over. Now go to junior block. So in the block it was already supported. Now I'm talking about junior block. Here you have Wizbot and Quarky now. So you click on the Quarky. It's trying to find out in serial port. So I haven't connected any serial port with this. So I will go to the Bluetooth port. And in the Bluetooth port, if I refresh, it's saying that PictoBlox link is not running. So you have to install the PictoBlox link. I already installed, so I will just go there and click on it once. And you will get a message. Okay, so you might get an error message, but this time it not came. Just the PictoBlox link is running. See below here. So it's okay now. I'll do try again. And it's looking for and it got it. Let's connect. I got one more sound, ensuring that it's connected, confirming that it's connected. Now I got all these PictoBlox blocks. So let me do, for example, I don't want to move. I don't have much space in my table. So let me go to PictoBlox and do a rotation and just click on this. See, it's working. And then another lovely thing is this LED, colorful LEDs. So let me do this with this and click on this, and then you see the sound, the animation is coming here. And one more thing I want to do, let me connect this animation. So this one was not animation, this was still. Now I will do animation and you see the animation should happen. What happened? Yeah, so it's happening. I'll change it one more time. See, it's moving, it's animating. So I'll bring it here and see. That's all for now. We'll come with more examples later. Thank you so much. Bye.